Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Namrita. Today's video is about how I have organized my dressing table. I have this very basic and simple dressing table with big mirror. It has two drawers and one bottom shelf. This dressing table is combined between me and my partner. The whole idea of sharing this organization is only to give you some inspiration as to how to utilize space more efficiently. Let's start from the platform. I keep this platform empty with just two snake plants on it. Of course, this is for decoration and nothing else. Between the drawers, I have taken one drawer for my daily and frequent needs, and my partner has another. To organize the drawer space neatly, I have used these old mobile phone boxes. I have also used this nice paper as a liner. Drawer accommodates 6 pieces, which is more than sufficient to organize the items. At the back, I have kept nail paints, night cream, a razor, and this interesting piece called counter. Here, I have used old card holder to keep my tickly. In the next two boxes, I have kept hair related stuff such as hair band, some pony band, some clips, a comb and a clutcher. On the other side, few items such as earbuds, powder, deodorant are kept in same boxes. Daily use moisturizer and compact with kajal, pencil, lipstick are kept in a separate box. I have placed this headband here to avoid sliding of boxes and cause I use this frequently. This is how in small space I could manage to keep all the daily necessities. The adjacent drawer is pretty simple. I use the same mobile boxes for small items, and for large items such as comb and bottle, I have used this pull-out basket. Small items like shaving cream, face mask, beard oil, etc. Remaining space is nicely occupied by hair dryer and deodorant. This is very simple yet functional organized drawer. Moving on to the bottom shelf. This is where I keep all non-frequent and occasional items. Though I have makeup material equal to none, I do have quite a jewellery collection, which I would definitely love to share with you all. For this shelf, I have tried to make use of different organizers to keep all different types of jewellery. I have put all traditional and heavy festive jewellery in these two semi-transparent boxes available in DMart. To keep bracelets separate, I have used this section box. I have different shape and size section boxes to keep various items. In these customizable section box, I have kept bracelet and earrings. In medium section box, I have put my oxidized jewellery collection. In smaller one, I have kept different Mangal Sutra. Few items are kept in this simple transparent box. I have used pull-out basket to collectively keep all the small boxes. In one such large box, I have arranged different wrist watches that we have, and respective warranty cards are kept below the watch. This way, it is so easy to maintain and use. Now moving on to the most bottom part, one side I have kept my partner's grooming kit in semi-transparent box so that everything is in single place. There is another styling kit I kept here as its box is quite sturdy and I did not have to change the package. Besides this, I have used small pull-out basket to keep all perfumes. On the other hand, I have kept all these extra pouches which are used during travel and some feminine products. You can see I still have some space left to keep more stuff. With simple and not so fancy organizers, you can turn your dressing table into more functional and easy to use. Little bit of discipline, planning and organizing, you can accommodate a lot in a small spaces and at the same time make the space more functional. I hope you get a little bit motivated to organize your space too and you get some idea to organize the dressing table from my video. Kindly like this video if you find it little bit helpful and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for taking some time out to watch this video. Bye.